Well, hello everybody. We're very proud to introduce today to Winston. Winston is our newest member that was just brought to us all the way from Payson, Arizona. He's a bull elk, only about 6 weeks old, and he's just wonderful. We're very excited because we've never had an elk before. And so right now we're just working with him. He's very much hands-on. And the reason that we do that is because we got to be able to handle him for medical reasons, because this boy is going to get 800-900 pounds. He's going to be a big, big boy. Aren't you, Winston? Oh, you're so cute. Mwah. Yeah, my little daughter told me to give you a kiss. Hi. Are you drinking your milk okay? Wonderful. Pretty big for a little one, only 6 weeks old. We do think there is something wrong with this hip, so our veterinarian is coming out. We don't know if this hip seems to be a little bit higher than the other one, so we're going to take some x-rays and make sure he's okay. Isn't that right? Yeah. Isn't he gorgeous? So this little boy was separated from his mom, and Arizona Game and Fish was kind enough to bring him all the way out from Payson, Arizona to live out his days with us. So this is Winston. Say hi, Winston. You're a good boy, huh? In the background, you see Sun King, our alpaca, and they kind of snuggle up together. So he's got a nice big shaded area here. Eventually we'll open that up when we make sure they get along. And of course he's got a giant barn. Let me take you in the barn here. It's pretty big, but he's going to be a big boy. So there's this bed in the corner. This barn is totally insulated. He's got some orchard grass there in case he wants to start eating solid food. And of course a bowl of milk. How's he doing? He's a little clumsy, isn't he?
He is, but he's getting some milk.
He's getting milk. That's what's important. And we've tried smaller bottles, and he just chews the nipple right off. So these are bottles specially designed for calves and young deer like this. I guess he's starting to drink milk by himself. We are feeding him goat's milk. They drink about 1 gallon to 1.5 gallons a day at this age, which I'm sure as he gets bigger will increase.
Oh yeah, so much.
Also, our wonderful supervisor Haley, when the animal arrived at 6 o'clock in the evening, she actually spent the entire night with him, sitting on the floor, making sure that he was okay. He was in this transport box that you can see sitting over there with the straw in it. And so that's a pretty cramped space for him, but we obviously had to make sure he was okay. Thank you, Haley. You're wonderful. This is Flower, our new little critter, our little skunk. And he's very pretty. Look at all those markings, but he's very, very young. One of our staff went and picked him up. We got a call. He was in Meatview. No, in Dolan Springs, I believe. And so he's found a happy home. We have another one. And so when he gets full grown, or a little bit bigger, we'll put him back in with the other skunk. But he's not spraying. He's being a good boy. And Erica Angoni, our veterinarian, is going to check him out in the next couple of days. And then we'll go from there. Today's Animal Day, I guess. This is Pua. He's our new little raccoon that came all the way from Colorado in the back of a boat. And he has found a happy home here. He's getting big. He was a lot smaller when we got him. But he's really a little cutie. We have a big raccoon habitat, so when he gets a little bigger, he'll be going in with the rest of the family. You're a little rascal, huh? Look at you, yeah. Aren't they adorable? But however, they are wild animals. You can't own them. Remember that.